Is ABS good for injection molding? ABS injection molding is commonly known as acrylonitrile butadiene styrene and acrylonitrile butadiene styrene copolymers are copolymerized from 3 monomers of acrylonitrile butadiene styrene. The proportions of the 3 comonomers are different, and then blended with other plastics and additives. It will produce different properties, and at the same time greatly expand the use and performance of ABS materials, such as heat-resistant grade, transparent grade, flame-retardant grade, electroplating grade, impact-resistant grade, reinforced grade, etc. ABS, acrylonitrile butadiene styrene, is a commonly used plastic for injection molding. It is a thermoplastic polymer that is used in a variety of applications including automotive-injected, molded ABS parts, electronic housings, and toys. ABS has several properties that make it a good choice for injection molding, including good impact resistance, has good impact strength and toughness, which makes it resistant to cracking or breaking under stress. Good dimensional stability, ABS has good dimensional stability, which means it maintains its shape and size even under temperature control changes. Good tensile strength, ABS has good tensile strength, which means it can withstand a large amount of stretching before breaking. Good resistance to wear and abrasion, ABS has good resistance to wear and abrasion, which makes it suitable for use in applications where it may be subjected to friction. Good machinability, ABS is easy to machine and can be molded into a variety of shapes and sizes. Good surface finish, ABS has a smooth surface finish that can be easily painted or printed on. Good price, ABS is generally less expensive than other engineering plastic parts, which makes it a good choice for cost-sensitive applications. Conclusion: overall, ABS plastic is a good choice for injection molding due to its good impact resistance, chemical structure resistance, dimensional stability, tensile strength, resistance to wear and abrasion, machinability, surface finish, and price. However, it is important to note that ABS has some limitations, such as a relatively low melting point temperature and poor UV resistance, which may make it unsuitable for certain applications. It is also worth considering other thermoset plastic materials for the ABS plastic injection molding process, as the best choice will depend on the specific requirements of the application.